How to recharge your Presto card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can recharge your Presto card, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to basically go ahead and then recharge your Presto card, maybe you already new card and then you'd like to add some funds to it, it's actually very simple. Because all you have to do is basically just go to prestocard.ca. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. And once you've done that, just make sure to click the account option from the top right hand side of the screen, and then here you'll find account. So just go to that account option, and once you go to that account option, you're going to be able to see all the sorts of interface, where what you need to do is on the left hand side, just go to order a new card option here. And once you go to this order a new card option, in this case, as you would be able to find it, what you want to do over here is, if you scroll down here, you'll find load your new Presto card that says add funds to your new Presto card. So this way we can actually recharge it. Now you can go ahead and choose a $10, $25 or $50 of amount, or you can simply choose to enter a custom amount where the maximum is actually $1,000, and then just hit the add to card option, check out, and then once you've done that, you should be able to add funds to your Presto card. This way you can recharge your Presto card account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.